Hello, welcome to all dear students. Myself Dr. J.K. Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen importance of direction or role of direction. Today, we are going to learn chapter 4 and topic concept of teamwork. So let's start with the new topic concept of teamwork. Concept of teamwork. Organizations and in modern management, teamwork cannot be avoided. Specifically, in case of functional organizations, teamwork is needed for the coordination of the all departments, and single departments cannot be held responsible for success or failure in the performance and its duties. Teamwork is work done by several associates and doing a part, but all subordinating personal prominence to the efficiency of the whole. Teamwork and cooperation is the ability and to work cooperations within the teams, work groups, and across the organization, and to achieve the group and organizational goals. It is often a part of business. It is necessary to work well together in trying the best circumstances. It is means that people will try to cooperate and using their skills and providing the feedback. Any personal conflicts between the individuals. Organization and organizational behavior. It is a group of people working together for the achieving the common objectives. According to Chester Bernard, organization comes into existence when there are a number of persons in communication and relationship to each other are willing to contribute to common endeavor. There are various characteristics of an organization. Communication, cooperative efforts, common objectives, rules and regulation. The communication, the member know what other team matters are doing. Specifically, the job is complex in nature. It is only possible with open lines of communication and backed by a reliable information and infrastructure. Cooperative efforts that the team member need to cooperation to get the job. Whatever that job may be in terms, individual participant willingly and is a good team player. Every person does the share of the work and common objectives that the coordination is the act of organizing, making the different people to work together and goals to fulfill the desired goals in an organization. The terms are the people who work together with the common objectives. Effectiveness of the organization. It refers to practice of using team, special kinds of groups in which members are mutually committed to some goal and share the leadership towards the attending. The various effectiveness of the organization. People, individual and group tact of the organization. And organizational behavior is the study and application of knowledge about the people. Organizational behavior studies the various several effectiveness of the organization, job satisfaction, finding the right people, organizational culture, leadership and conflict resolution. Next is understanding how to develop good leaders, develop a good team and higher productivity. They know that in the case of functional organization, departments cannot work done sharing the objectives. There need to be continuous coordination and exchange of information between the department. Performance reviews give a basis for coordination and this helps in sharing the objectives. The team members pool their complementary skills and experience which will improve each employee's individual performance. In turn, improve the performance, increases the job satisfaction, enhancing the employee's self-esteem and the joy he finds in his work. The teamwork's innovation come from years of hard efforts. The group of people rather an individual. And this happens because many people give in their own ideas. The team members interact on a continuous basis. It is the process. Employees develop friendships and sense of unity. The team spirit develops team members a sense of fellowship, common interest and commitment of the team objectives. Thank you.